Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change Roblox username. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So first, you have to log into your Roblox account at roblox.com. Click the gear icon at the top right corner, and here you have to select settings. Under the account info, find username and click the pencil or edit icon. Now, here as you can see, in order for you to enter a new desired username on your Roblox account, you need to pay the username change fee for 1,000 Robux. So you have to click buy to confirm. And then here you can basically look and select for that specific amount and how many Robux you want to purchase. So take note, you need 1,000 Robux. So let's just say you want to buy 500. All you have to do is to select that, and then this time, what you're going to do next is you have to select your payment method. So you can pay via debit card, PayPal, and there are other ways here, for example, like Roblox gift card. So it's up to you. And once you select that specific payment method, for example, card or bank account, what you're going to do next is you have to enter your details right here. After that, tap on pay and you will receive or you will see the amount of Robux that you have purchased on your Roblox account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.